उत्तर पूर्व यानी इंडिया के नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बसा वो इलाका जो 8 राज्यों से मिलकर बना है और बना है नदियों, पर्वतों और झरनों से, खूबसूरत लोगों से, रंगीन रिवाजों से। और हम ढूंढ रहे हैं इन वादियों से उठने वाली धुन को, उनके जीवन की मेलोडी को मेलोडियस 8 में। सिक्किम, आसाम, अरुणाचल, मणिपुर, मेघालय, नागालैंड, मिजोरम और त्रिपुरा से होकर गुजरने वाली हमारी सुरों की यात्रा में आप मिलेंगे यहाँ के म्यूजिक बैंड से, जानेंगे उनके बारे में, उनके म्यूजिक के बारे में, और हम चाहेंगे समझना उनके जुनून को, उस खुशी को, उस आजादी को जो इन्हें इनके म्यूजिक से हासिल होती है। मेलोडियस 8 यानी उत्तर पूर्व नॉर्थ ईस्ट के 8 राज्य और उनके अलग अलग म्यूजिक बैंड्स की तलाश में आज हम सिक्किम में हैं। कविता, अध्यात्म, संगीत, अच्छा मौसम और अच्छे लोगों का मिला जुला माहौल सिक्किम। आज हमारे एपिसोड को मेलोडियस बनाने वाले हैं दिवश राय।
बरेलीमा लुकाइराख न अङ्गालोमा बाँधिराख बरेलीमा।
दिवश सिक्किम के शहर पाक्योंग के एक स्कूल सेंट जेवियर में पढ़ाते हैं और किसी को नहीं मालूम था कि ये एक म्यूजिक बैंड के मेंबर हैं। लेकिन एक दिन इनके एक छोटे फैन ने इन्हें ढूंढ निकाला।
I found on my internet when I was searching the English songs of the Yellow. And I found a song named The Ocean, and the song named Ocean was sang by my sir, and I realized that the sir's voice was so sweet and his band is really good.
The counter personality hits on you, and you start to wonder just who are you. I think it happened the first year I joined in the school. So I was a new teacher back then, and there were a lot of children who were inquisitive about who I am, where I am from, and what do I do outside the school. So I was a very normal teacher to them, and one day one of the students, they came and said, "Sir, I checked your video on YouTube." And I said, "Whose video?" And they said, "It's your video." I said, "I never have shot any video." And they are saying, "I don't lie, I've seen you on TV and I've seen your YouTube videos and that." And I said, "No, that's not me, that must be some other guy who looks like me." And they said, "No, you are a liar, you are a singer and you never told us that." And that was, I think, one of the funny part of being a teacher also. And I, quite modestly, I found it very nice also to not let them know that who I was, and it's better if they find it out themselves only.
I saw him on the internet, and his band name is Crystal and the Witches, and he sings very nicely and his voice is very good than as compared to other teachers. I got so inspired that even I want to have my own band.
Diwas is a very sensitive teacher, I would say. When he came new in the school, and I was also new, but I found him very enthusiastic teacher, and he would know every student and he knew how to tackle the students. And it was of course difficult for him because he was not trained at that time. But in the course of time now he has been trained and he is more experienced into the teaching line. And he has been encouraging students in different ways. So I can see that many of the students like improving in their studies, not only studies, also the singing skill.
I came along, I wrote a song for
प्रभु मेरो गोठाला हो परम प्रभु मेरो गोठाला हो मलाई केहीको खाँचो छैन.
Music was taking more part of my life. I had graduated with BCom, but I had no interest to become a banker or a matter of fact to be related anywhere near a calculator actually. I wanted the guitar more than the calculator. I think 2009 I moved to Bombay and I started doing a course in sound engineering, and which helped me a lot. I learned a lot about recording studio professionally. Before that I was like a raw musician who would just go on stage and perform. But I wanted to know the technical aspect behind it, how it's done. So that was done by sound engineering. It helped me a lot, and it opened a lot of avenues for me. But at the same time I moved to a place like Bombay, which is already too full. Its competition is too high, skyrocket, and for a guy like me who comes from a very modest background and a northeast state, I'm more of a shy guy outside the stage. So it was a bit of a struggle for me in the beginning just to open up first. And then once I started getting comfortable with other people, then I realized that getting a job is extremely even harder. And to get into the industry, it was super hard for me. And 4 years I struggled there, where I learned a lot of work. I worked in different studios, post-production, production, bands, jingles, ads, all those things. I tried my hand even at Bollywood also.
मेलोडियस 8 में नॉर्थ ईस्ट की वादियों को पहले 7 सिस्टर्स कहा जाता रहा, फिर इसमें सिक्किम मिल गया तो अब ये मिलकर 8 हो गईं और हम इन 8 के गीत सुनने, इनकी मेलोडी चुनने यहाँ आए हैं और फिलहाल बात कर रहे हैं क्रिस्टल एंड विचेस के लीड सिंगर दिवश राय से.
I tried my hand even at Bollywood also. After that I came back home in Sikkim back again, and I started running my own studio because I personally felt it was time to give back. As a human being, the same thing goes for a teacher as well. Once I was a student, so now I'm a teacher, so I'm giving back whatever I've learned. So same thing applied to my music also. Whatever knowledge I've gained so far as a musician, as a recordist or a sound engineer, audio engineer, I want to give it back to the society.
होम कमिंग यानी अपनी जमीन पर वापस आकर दिवश ने एक टीचर की नौकरी शुरू की और जल्दी ही स्कूल के सबसे लोकप्रिय टीचर बन गए. बच्चों को न सिर्फ पढ़ाना शुरू किया बल्कि उन्हें म्यूजिक और सिंगिंग की ट्रेनिंग भी देने लगे.
Bonjour mes amis, hello my friends.
यो त तिम्रै धड्कन हो, साचेर राख तिम्रै आँखामा, यो त तिम्रै सहारा हो. Well, teaching and music, it came as a surprise, nice surprise. I think it was like a gift from God to me, which I never expected, and it was merely out of luck, which happened all of a sudden, for which I'm very happy actually for this thing which has happened in my life, because I've realized that I like spending time with the children, and as it's almost like all my hands are in butter, they say, no? On one side it's music, which I love, and the other side I have children. So both ways it's a win-win situation for me actually. So I love my job and I love my music also.
सिक्किम भारत का सबसे सुंदर राज्य है ऐसा कहा जाता है. वैसे तो पहाड़ी प्रदेश है, लेकिन यहाँ चावल की खेती करने वाले किसान बहुत हैं. भारत के सभी पर्यटक ये जानते होंगे कि जब मैदानी इलाकों में गर्मी बरस रही हो और ठंडी हवाओं के झोंकों को महसूस करना हो तो सिक्किम का रुख करें. जब प्रकृति के खूबसूरत नजारों को निहारना हो और जिंदगी भर न भूलने के दृश्यों को यादों में संजोना हो तो सिक्किम जाएं. जब हिमालय की गोद में खुद को पाने का सपना पूरा करना हो, बर्फीली चोटियों को सूरज निकलते समय धवल से सुनहरा होते देखना हो तो सिक्किम जाएं. जहां सुंदर चेहरों पर मासूम मुस्कान देखनी हो तो सिक्किम है ना। छुट्टियां मनाने जाएं या खुशियां मनाने, सिक्किम की हवा में तो बस वही घुला हुआ है। नेपाली, तिब्बती, भूटिया, लेपचा का मिला जुला कल्चर और इसी के बीच में दौड़ता भागता वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक।
See, the major problem here is people like us, we have been in this industry for a long time. But as in, if you talk about actually having a film industry or having a music industry, it's not here yet. We have not arrived here yet. We are still independent music makers and independent video makers who shoot and do their thing, and we let the world know through YouTube only. And I wish there was a industry itself or a department itself which could look primarily into this part, the creative part of being a musician or a videographer or a graphic designer, or for anybody who's into the creative line. This would actually give a lot of job opportunities for people like us also, and also a boost to the coming generation that it's not necessary for you to be a doctor or engineer. You can be somebody else and have a good life.
He plays this guitar very nicely, and whenever we do anything, like he was our 2 years class teacher, and whenever we use the singing competitions or any singing only competitions comes, that time he used to only play the guitar, and he used to give us very simple tune in that our wording should be very easy for us. And this year he didn't become, and he became for class 4B. That's why we all are very sad. So if he would be our class teacher now also, we would be very happy, and he is very good for us.
This came as a surprise because firstly I was never so bold out loud, as in like come and check me out and I'm from this band or that band, and I never told my children actually who I was until they found out about it themselves. Yes. As far as the children are concerned, it was always, from my side, it was always about not letting them know who I was actually, because my music is completely different from what I am to them. For them, I'm just a school teacher who comes and jokes and has fun with them. And the other side of my music life, I am somebody who is very intense and serious when I'm doing my music, because it requires me to play heavy, aggressive music. So this is like a complete both sides of the coin actually. One is the Dr. Jekyll and the other one is Hyde. But I love my job, and the children also, they have started knowing slowly about me. They have started seeing my videos on YouTube, and I think maybe later on when they realize this is going to be a good thing for them as well later on. I wish they get inspired more, and I hope there might be some other students later on who I can say they were my students, and I can see them up on stage rocking out like me. So I would be happy to see that. Good morning, children. Good morning, sir. All right, sit down. Thank you, sir. So today we will be learning about something very important in our life. Can you tell me the name of the chapter?
स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल का कहना है कि दिवश स्कूल के बच्चों के साथ जुड़ के रहते हैं। उनकी क्लास के बच्चे पास हो जाने के बाद भी अगली क्लास में नहीं जाना चाहते, क्योंकि फिर दिवश सर से मिलना कम हो जाएगा। एक तरफ इतना नर्म दिल बच्चों को लुभा लेने वाला टीचर, दूसरी तरफ हार्ड रॉक मेटल बैंड और उसका लीड सिंगर एक एग्रेसिव म्यूजिशियन।
We have always seen trees. Yes, sir. And what are trees important for? They give us food, fruits, oxygen, what else? Air, wood, to make our houses, and they also act like a shade for sleepy cows also, yes or no? Yes. So trees are always a very important part of our life.
सिक्किम के इस शांत से पहाड़ी शहर के एक स्कूल के बच्चों के बीच रहते हुए दिवश को बैंड की रिहर्सल्स का टाइम कैसे मिलता है। इनका कहना है कि ये स्कूल के बाद अकेले बैठ के रिहर्सल्स करते हैं, क्योंकि इनका स्कूल नॉर्थ सिक्किम में है और इनके बैंड मेंबर्स बहुत दूर साउथ सिक्किम में रहते हैं और सभी अपने अपने तौर पर अपनी जगह पर रिहर्सल्स करते हैं।
Previously, it was more or less like all of us, we used to get together and start making music. Like I said, this band has been active for the last 13-14 years now. So we have actually seen ourselves evolve as musicians, as individuals also. So we were a college band, now we are a working band. All of us are working, we have jobs. So all of us, we understand our space also. So what we do these days is, half of my band is based in South Sikkim. It's in a place called Namchi. And I am based in East Sikkim. So what we do is we try to be in touch first as much as possible through WhatsApp or through calling each other or by sending emails and sending the demos, whichever we are recording the new ones. So basically right now we are a band who are apart but close also in our own way, and thanks to the internet for that. So that's how we are still getting together. And when I'm not playing around with them, that's the time I spend most of my time with nature, and I like going out and hiking and maybe a little bit of camping, stuff like that, and play my guitar out there. So I enjoy my time with nature out there.
दिवश के घर में म्यूजिक का ही माहौल था। इनके पिता देश बहादुर राय संडे को सुबह सुबह जब अपने प्राइवेट कलेक्शंस के रिकॉर्ड्स बजाते थे, दिवश उन्हीं बीट्स के साथ जागता था और पिता को उनके चुने हुए म्यूजिक पर मजे लेते हुए ध्यान से देखता। और फिर वही हुआ जो होना था। दिवश ने 8 साल की उम्र में गाना शुरू कर दिया था। स्टेज पर जाकर सबके सामने गाने में इन्हें बड़ा मजा आता और 8वीं क्लास में जाकर इन्होंने अपना पहला बैंड बना लिया। उसका नाम था क्रिप्टिक म्यूजिक। 11th में दिवश को स्टिल वाटर्स नाम के प्रोफेशनल बैंड में गाने का मौका मिला और तब जाकर ये अपने म्यूजिक को गंभीरता से लेने लगे। कोलकाता के कॉलेज में पहुंचते ही इन्होंने अपने दोस्त टेंजिंग लोडेन के साथ अपने बैंड क्रिस्टल एंड विचेस की शुरुआत की। कुछ साल मुंबई में रहने के बाद 2009 में ये वापस सिक्किम आए और अपने उस बैंड को दोबारा जिंदा किया।
This is actually quite a hard question because I don't know what's going to happen next. There are actually a lot of other bands coming up, but as in like the avenues that we had before, it's comparatively it's more, but the interest has gone down. Whereas in our time, the avenues were less, but the interest was very more. There were a lot of bands, seriously hard-working bands who were continuously trying to do something with their music. Nowadays, with the availability of social media, YouTube, everybody is a bathroom singer, everybody has become a singer-songwriter, even before having a band. So it has become a reverse cycle now. And I wish more original music would come, more organically created original music, instead of just using a computer and creating beats and becoming an overnight bathroom or indie pop artist or singer. So hopefully more bands will come.
सिक्किम के म्यूजिक बैंड का लीड गिटारिस्ट और फ्रंटमैन दिवश राय, एक चेहरा सिक्किम के कल्चर को गुनगुनाने वाला, दूसरी तरफ हैवी मेटल में एक गुस्सा, दुनिया की तस्वीर बदलने की चाहत रखने वाला, दिल में एक आग रखने वाला और उनके खिलाफ बोलने वाला जो इसकी मासूम दुनिया को छीन रहे हैं। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, जंग, आतंक के खिलाफ हथियार उठाने वाला, और इसका हथियार हैं इसके गीत, इसका गिटार और इसका बैंड क्रिस्टल एंड विचेस। और जब भी मौका मिलता है दिवश अपना गिटार लेकर निकल पड़ते हैं किसी खामोश वादी में।
2018 we released our first album. There were 12 songs in this album, and there's a lot of hard work which went by. We also released our first official video, which is on YouTube, and this is the first heavy metal video of the state also.
And the priceless experiences I had over these years defines a big part of who I am today.
Before this, nobody has ever made a heavy metal video from Sikkim, so we feel really good about this. And we hope that more bands are inspired to come and make such bands or go into this genre. When I am outside and I'm playing a song and I'm not inside an enclosed place, I feel more connected. Trees are talking to me, the grass is talking to me, the wind is talking to me, the clouds, everything is talking to me, and I like to give it back to them.
Divinity and else to seeing what I like to feel.
from hanging from the skies. They're washed away in the trace of rain. Testify, resurrect yourself in any way. And bow me sometime if you can, and help me rediscover myself again. Yeah, yeah. The cult of personality hits on you. I'm just starting to wonder, just who are you? I have to go, I hate to say. Every time when I see those moments clicked away, loud screaming so vast in silence. I wish I could wrap my shadow and embrace